yeah, I don't think he did his job. So if anybody knows anything about the banking system, or if you think that I was pushed aside just because I said, you know, get off your butt there, bud. Who do I talk to about that? Because there shouldn't have been any reason why I shouldn't have got a small loan. I mean, I had a $20,000 down payment, and the property was $50,000. That's all I needed was $30,000. So I had 120 points above the credit line they require. I had $8,000 more of a down payment than what they require. They wanted 12. I had 20. I don't owe anybody anything. No bankruptcies. Does anybody out there see why? And I have a permanent income. Had the same permanent income for 10 years now, and will have it. So anybody want to comment on that? I'd love to get that one, because yeah, I think I was a little prejudged on that. So look at that. Now I have to cut this into a few videos. So anyway, so yeah, I got Coop out with his action camera. So Cooper, okay, I think somehow Cooper got this thing wrapped around the camera, because it. Cooper, stop, bud, stop. There, stop. Yes, you did. Somehow, there, okay. You got that wrapped around you somehow. Look, now it's not gonna work. There, okay, go. Alright, so, yeah, just checking out his GoPro for tomorrow, and just had to do a little rant there.